Get it done better and faster with Floors Plus.
Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Rob at Floors Plus. We're going to do some educational videos here the next month or two and try to get them on our YouTube channel so we can educate our customers about different products. Today we're going to talk about LVP. I know you've heard all the different LVP this, LVT that, LVP. Well, the bottom line is most of these products now are WPC or SPC. WPC is wood plastic composite. SPC is stone plastic composite. But in a nutshell, they're both really close to the same thing. So they're all waterproof. They're all better than buying per se a laminate product that's not waterproof. But today we're going to talk about the Titan. This is called Titan. This is a product made by Shaw. This is Titan HD Plus. Titan is probably the best product on the market today in a luxury vinyl plank, LVP. Titan is a 12 millimeter thick. If you notice how thick this is, I mean, this is a chunk, okay? Each plank actually weighs 14 pounds. So this product is 9 inches wide by 72 inches long, which is a big plank. It's also a fold and tap, which is easy install. Okay, bottom line, this has a 30 mil wear layer. Okay, you hear of 12, 20 mil, this has got a 30, okay? So if you want the best quality product on the market, Titan HD Plus made by Shaw is absolutely the best quality product on the market. You cannot find a product any better made by any other company anywhere. This product pretty much will last forever. The thing is, it's the thickness, A, it's the wear layer, B, 30 mil wear, and they actually put a armor bead finish on top of the wear layer, which makes it really more than 30 mil wear layer. So in a nutshell, if you want the best quality product on the market today, it's Shaw Titan HD Plus. Not anything better. Thanks for tuning in to Floors Plus, and go buy your new floors. Have a great day.